Best cinema cameras. The demand for the best cinema cameras has grown rapidly as creators, filmmakers, and content producers seek higher quality tools that deliver cinematic visuals with durability and professional-grade performance. Today's buyers want dependable bodies, intuitive control layouts, flexible lens compatibility, and solid value for their investment. This guide evaluates leading cinema cameras based on image quality, build design, handling, connectivity, and overall usability, helping you choose the right model for filmmaking, documentaries, commercial shoots, and advanced content creation. Product number 1. Sony Cinemaline FX30 Super 35 camera. The Sony Cinemaline FX30 is a top choice for filmmakers looking for cinematic performance in a compact Super 35 format. Its back-illuminated 26-megapixel APS-C sensor delivers rich dynamic range and excellent low-light capability, making it a reliable companion for indie films, music videos, and run-and-gun-style shooting. The camera inherits many features seen in Sony's higher-end models, including advanced color science and S-Cinetone for natural skin tones straight out of the camera. Its lightweight body is ideal for handheld shooting and gimbal use, while the professional menu layout and intuitive controls make operation effortless even in fast-paced environments. Dual card slots, long battery life, and extensive cooling ensure stable, long-duration recordings. With 4K at high frame rates, outstanding autofocus, and built-in cinematic profiles, the FX30 stands out as a high-value, budget-friendly choice for serious filmmakers stepping into cinema-level production. Product number 2. The Sony Alpha FX3 Cinemaline camera. The Sony FX3 blends the boundary between cinema and mirrorless, offering professional video quality in an incredibly compact and ergonomic form. Designed for demanding cinematographers, it features a 12-megapixel full-frame sensor optimized for exceptional low-light performance, delivering clean footage even in challenging environments. Its 15-plus stops of dynamic range and S-Cinetone color profile give footage a true cinematic feel without heavy color grading. The FX3 includes a built-in cooling fan for unlimited 4K recording, making it ideal for documentaries, events, and long interview sessions. Its top handle with XLR inputs adds pro-quality audio control, while the excellent autofocus ensures precise tracking of subjects. With numerous mounting points and a rugged, weather-sealed body, it's perfect for handheld, stabilized, or rig-mounted shooting. For creators who want film-grade results in a portable form, the FX3 offers remarkable reliability and flexibility. Product number 3. Sony FX2 Full-Frame Cinema Camera. The Sony FX2 is tailored for filmmakers who want advanced full-frame cinematic performance without the bulk of traditional cinema rigs. Built with a large format sensor, it offers superb depth of field control, excellent dynamic range, and smooth color gradation, ideal for narrative filmmaking. Its professional codecs and 4K high frame rate recording make it suitable for commercials, short films, and high production value content. One of its standout features is the improved thermal design, which supports prolonged shooting without overheating. The body layout features intuitive button placement, customizable controls, and multiple mounting options to accommodate cages or external monitors. Its autofocus system is among the best in the cinema category, delivering swift and precise subject tracking. If you need a powerful, full-frame camera that sits comfortably between compact cinema models and high-end rigs, the FX2 delivers outstanding performance and workflow efficiency. Product number 4. Blackmagic Design Pocket Cinema Camera. Blackmagic's Pocket Cinema Camera series is beloved for delivering incredible value and cinematic image quality at an accessible price. This camera offers high bit depth recording, raw capabilities, and impressive dynamic range, giving filmmakers immense flexibility in post-production. Its color science produces film-like tones, especially appealing for narrative and artistic projects. Despite its light and portable design, the camera is packed with professional features, including a large touchscreen interface, intuitive menu system, and numerous ports for external accessories. Users appreciate the built-in ND filters on some versions, dual native ISO, and compatibility with a wide range of lenses via adapters. While its battery life is modest, its exceptional image quality and powerful internal recording formats make it a favorite among indie filmmakers seeking cinematic results without a premium price tag.
Product number 5. Nikon Red-Z Cinema Camera. The Nikon Red-Z Cinema Camera brings together Nikon's optic expertise and Red's legendary cinema technology to deliver a powerhouse tool for filmmakers demanding uncompromising quality. Its full-frame sensor, paired with Red's high-resolution RAW capabilities, offers extraordinary detail, dynamic range, and color fidelity. This makes it ideal for major productions, visual storytelling, and high-end commercial work. Ergonomically, the body is built like a true cinema machine, modular, rugged, and designed for professional rigging. The integrated cooling system supports long takes, while the advanced autofocus and lens adaptability enhance workflow efficiency. Its user interface is designed for filmmakers, offering deep control over exposure, profiles, and file formats. For those seeking top-tier cinematic performance with flexibility and reliability, the Nikon Red-Z stands as a premium choice designed for serious production environments.